We interrupt our dome solar build to do some solar maintenance. We installed solar in the barn about 6 years ago, and it's been working great until recently. We got a problem. You know that saying 2 is 1, 1 is none? Still holds true. Long story short, this guy died. This guy arced itself to death, so we moved our spare into position, and it has been keeping us off the generator for the last week, thankfully. It's time to remedy this situation. So we got a Victron Energy 250 volt, 100 amp smart solar controller from Signature Solar. I'll walk you through how we will swap everything out and get us back up and running off of our 2 arrays. This is for the array that's down. We are definitely turned off. And now, that guy. Okay, showing 0 watts. So we are set there. But just for sanity's sake, trust me, it's worth it. All these other breakers are now off. I killed that. We are ready to shut down the Schneider. And finally, the battery. Everything's down. Still gotta wait a minute and let all the capacitors and whatnot dissipate, and then test it with a multimeter. Confirmed battery voltage is down, and PV1 array voltage is down. We are good to go to begin untangling and removing. Everybody's disconnected. All the extra wires and things that we won't be using have all been removed. We are ready to start installing. The Classic is now all wired up. Time to unbox and install this guy. Adding the display is quite easy. Remove these 2 screws, peel the backside sticky tape. You gotta pull these little stoppers off and slot it in. And put your screws in. All plugged in, good and tight. And this is all squared away. All my connections are set. We are ready to power on the system. Lights are back on. Next up, we can put on the Classic one, be the output to turn that on. Make sure that comes up 48 volts, and it does. Then now we can go turn on the breaker from the outside. No sparks, no sparks, no sparks, no sparks. That's working, ramping up, perfect. Turn this guy on. All right, we're good. It's powering up. Now it's time to configure. I'm gonna do it through the Bluetooth Victron Connect app because it's just easier that way. And select it. And it's gonna ask for a pairing code. Inside of this little pamphlet comes 2 stickers that has the pin that you need to pair this with your phone. Make sure you take one of those stickers and stick it up on the top or the side or something so that you don't lose it. Pair, fetching data, and now we are ready for updates. So hit that, go ahead and do it, and this will take a minute or 2. There might actually be a couple of them, so we'll come back. Firmware updated. Now we can start to configure. Start with the battery. Okay, battery voltage is not 12. I don't know why it says that. Say 48. 5333. Okay, set. Max charge rate is 100. Charger enabled. Battery presets. I'll just use user defined here. I'm going to throw on expert mode because I'm an expert. Absorption voltage for these batteries is 56 volts, 54 volts, and everything else really kind of doesn't matter. We're not doing a load output or relay and none of this other stuff, except maybe the display. No, we got it in Fahrenheit already, so we're good. Freedom units! So, at this point, we should be good to go. All right, with the disconnect now reconnected outside, we'll flip the breaker. Okay, and we should start to see we're in bulk, and we've got some stuff coming up now. Not sure if that's amps or watts, probably amps. Looking at the app, we've got 2200 watts coming in. Panel voltage is at 107. Got about 21 amps coming in. Solar version. Battery voltage, current, it's all in bulk. We are up and running. All looks good. Easy peasy. That concludes swapping out the bad MidNite Classic for a much better Victron Energy Smart Solar Charge Controller. Once again, got this from Signature Solar. If you're interested in this, you can find all the product information and our referral link down below in the show notes. It's not ideal to have two different charge controllers that don't talk to each other, but if you're interested in me getting another Victron Energy, hit the thumbs up. If I get 200 thumbs up, I'll buy another one and I'll show how I link it all together. Again, thank you, and we'll see you later.